Toxic Kid used a voice changer, Happy's color code, and cosmetics inside of public server and was being toxic. So I stepped in because I didn't want Happy to lose any fans. And as soon as we joined the code, he changed his name. He kept the color code and the wings though. He changed it to not Happy. So I'm not lying. Inside of the public code, it was just Happy, and he had that voice changer and it kind of sounded like Happy. I'm Buns, get better at the game. So we're gonna 1v1. I wanna see who's better. What's the code? What are you doing? R E W D 3.
Hey, are you the new player?
Guys, I'm not kidding. It took little bro like an hour just to join the code.
What the hell?
So Happy, if you're
Leaderboard.
I don't care.
Not happy.
Not Happy, and you have half his grade.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna get my sweat.
Oh gosh, bro, why are you a sweat? What is that? Alright, runners run. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First I gotta find the little kid. So easy, dude.
What was the time? You know, 'cause
Like, I'm counting. 11 seconds.
okay, that's the biggest I've ever heard. It was like 30 something.
That was not 30 seconds.
It was like 20, bro. It was not no 11.
That was not 20 either. You know I got you right when you ran.
It was.
Stop lying.
Biggest law. Okay. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
6, 7, 9.
My bad for cutting it out, but he ended up getting me over there, so. Runners run. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So guys, I'm trying to get him really cocky so that he thinks he's good. And then I'll start trying later on in the video. Maybe after one more round. "21 seconds.
Runners run 1, 2, 3, 4.
After this round, then that's when I'm gonna start trying. I just have to bump into him. Why are you counting so dang fast? Why is my boundary so? So now I'm gonna start making weird excuses, and then when I chase him, then I'm gonna start trying. I fell in real life. No kidding.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not lying. I'm not kidding. Here. So do you want to redo it?
No.
Okay, fine. But that means I'm coming instantly because you can't. Now he's really hyped up and he thinks he's really good and I'm bad. And by the way, the points are 2-1 right now. I have 1 point, he has 2. And I'm going to get 3. I'm going to make it 3-2. He's kind of slow.
One, 2, 3.
Why are you counting so dang fast?
did because you wanted to freaking cheat because you just came.
Now he's yapping about saying he's not gonna get juked, and
I fell and you still didn't
I just
want to
juked him. And he's counting really fast. He's like cheating at this point. And I'm trying now, and Happy, if you're seeing this, I just wanted to say you're welcome. I didn't want you to lose any fans, so I decided to step in. 1 point for me.
That's a lot. Okay.
I'm not lying. It's 2-1 right now.
Yeah, we're going to 4.
That's about 10 seconds. Here I come.
That was not 10 seconds for 1.
Dang it.
Okay, you.
What? I gave you 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yo.
No, you wanted to. No, you want to play that game.
You're getting wholly juked.
Oh, I don't know what a juke is.
And how have I juked you like 8 times this round?
I tagged you. Just tag us.
No, there's not. See? No tag lag.
2. Because you wanted to cheat.
I did not cheat. Go.
Happy though.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What are you doing? He just left. Jeez. What a crash out. I guess that's 3-2, because when a player leaves, that makes you the winner. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing me make him crash out. He shouldn't have been acting like the YouTuber. Really acting like him. He was like, I'm happy. Yeah. And then, so I came in and I'm like, bro, you're not finna act like Happy and be toxic.